The duration and transition controls determine how long each video from the playlist will be displayed and the time it takes to transition between the current and next videos in that playlist. Drag either knob up or down to change the duration and transition settings. Alternatively, you may click in the numeric field to enter a value directly. The Randomize buttons apply random values to those settings. As with all synchronization fields, duration and transition fields are displayed according to the mode setting. They may be entered in time mode using hours, minutes, and seconds, or as a duration relative to the master tempo using bars, beats, and divisions. For quick manual entry, you may use a period to separate the hours, minutes, and seconds when in time mode, or to separate the bars, beats, and divisions in BPM mode. Click the Transition List header to display all available transitions. Transitions occur one after another in the list during normal playback. You may click on the names to enable and disable transitions. Disabled transitions appear grayed out and will be skipped during normal playback.